Hello guys, this is Devi and I would like to welcome you to my channel. And for those of you who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos that I bring out every day. In fact, every day I bring about 2 to 3 videos or maybe one video depending on what's happening in my crypto world. Before I jump into something new that I have here, I would like to inform you that whatever I do online carries a risk, and you should always do your due diligence wherever you're going to put your money. You should always put in what you can afford to lose, as everything in business requires a risk, and at one time you can lose all your crypto that you have invested in. So with all that said, guys, these staking platforms, they keep on coming up every day, and each one that comes up brings up some new improvements, uh, that are not in the other ones that started before. Remember, we started with Hex, we got T2X. T2X came from Hex. From T2X we got DSP. From DSP we got DXY, and so I've been doing all of them. Apart from Hex and T2X, I didn't do them, and all these other ones have been an improvement, and I do believe that these improvements are making these other ones that are coming better platforms for us to invest our Tron in them. So guys, this is community staking experiment, as they have called it an experiment. It's a good name. In short, they call it CSE, Tron Community Staking Experiment. And so the user interface, it is like that of DSP, as you can see. But what I want to discuss about this, I want to make this video as short as possible, is what makes it different from all the others. So what is community experiment? Community staking experiment, here you can see. Now these guys, they have given credit to where they came from, or from all the platforms that they copied from. As you can see, as a parent, you always want your children to do better than you. So we have taken clues from our platform parents, Hex, T2X, DSP, and our little brother GXY, and are offering to everyone the opportunity to take advantage of what felt like would be one of the biggest opportunities in crypto. So join the experiment today. So these guys have got a Telegram channel here. I've joined it. You can join it also from the site. You can see whatever, and they have some big players here who are going to take this to the next level. So as you can see, in fact, on day one, they managed to get 4.5 million TRX. That was day one. So let us go to what makes it different. It is community-minded platform driven by you. Founder is Bitcoin Brown. Me personally, I got to know this guy from one of my friends, Stana Breezy. 98% of the daily divs pay out, with only 2% platform commission. So others were giving 95% to stakers. So this one gives 98%, and only 2% goes to the platform commission to do the marketing and all other stuffs that those guys do for us. They have SSSR, Amazon Web Services. That's for the protection of the sites from DOS attacks. They also give 10% referral bonus. When you join someone's link, you also get 10%. So now this is very good. If you use my link to join the auction lobby, when you're going to buy some tokens, I'll get 10% of what you've put in, and you'll also get 10% of 10% discount on what you're going to buy. So it is a two-way win-win for everyone. So in other words, you should use someone's link. He benefits and you also benefit equally. So the number of days has been reduced to 100 days. You can only stake for 100 days, no more than that. I do this one is going to be so sustainable, and the more shares, the more TRX. But be careful, if you unstake early, you'll kill your tokens that will be needed for our first dApp that is being released in 2 weeks of launch. So this one I don't know about it, but I just hear that it is coming out in 2 weeks. So why should you unstake? There's no need of unstaking, because if you unstake, you lose 50% of your tokens, and these tokens are so valuable in these platforms because they are the ones that give you the more shares, and the more shares, the more divs that you can get. So the first CSE token is uppercase dApp. It is called Charge and is already finished and will be testing and launch in 10 days. So these are the one of the things that make it different, and only 900k in founder pre-mine. Others were had 30 million, 3 million, and so on. So the founder days are split 50% and reinvest, and the day we have 2.5 million token auction lobby start. So the founder 2 days launch buying option. So you can join us in this founder days. As you can see here, they say that the first 2 days of the CSE contract, the auction lobby divs pool will be split 50% to the founders and 50% will be reinvested. So how do you become a founder? You will see this. You have to stake more than 100,000 TRX and you send them an email. So you can join the Telegram group here, the Twitter here. This is the front page. You can enter the staking launch. You can enter the auction lobby here. So as you can see here, the number 1 ended with 4.5 million. The number 2, it is open. You can enter with. So far it is at 1.26 million TRX. Yeah, so that's it, guys. The staking launch, it is also the user interface is the same as that of DSP. These guys just changed the colors, and also they just made it more user friendly. So guys, that's it. So if you look at this and DSP, you will see that it is almost the same. I mean DSP, and I love it. I have very many. All these are my stakes, and I'm still doing it. I enter the auction every day. So guys, that is community staking experiment. When you open the link, I'm leaving the link in the description of the video. When you open the video, it will appear like this, and if you want to buy the tokens, you just go to the auction lobby. With doing that, you will get a 10% discount when you use my link, and also which is so beneficial to you. And you can read this. And also join the Telegram channel so that you don't miss out on any any information that is coming from the developers. So you can't. The founder days are all sold out. As you can see, the 1 spots are sold out and the 2 spots are sold out. So guys have invested big here because they do believe in the system. So that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. If you have anything to say about this, you can leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll be able to reach out to you. That's it. See you in the next video.